Hey guys, welcome back to Banks TV. Today we're going to be doing a DIY project for this home decor piece that's needed in my entryway / living room. So the first step is going to be letters from Hobby Lobby. It's going to spell out home, but instead of the O we're going to put a wreath, and I'll show you an example of the look I'm trying to do. So these letters, they're white, but they're a bit too rustic for the design of my living room. So what I'm going to do is actually spray them over with white spray paint. So this is going to be step one of the process. So what I did was I grabbed a towel that I don't really care about because we're actually doing this inside my patio, not outside because it's in the evening. So I grabbed a towel I don't really care about, and I laid out the letters. So they're nice thick wood letters. That's what I wanted. I wanted like a really nice 3D effect on the wall, but clear, so it just gives the overall modern touch to my living room when it's finally done. So got the letters. Like I said, these are from Hobby Lobby. They had them for 50% off. So, or if not, they do have a coupon that you're allowed to use every single day, which gives you 40% off. And then I just got some white spray paint from Walmart, which is like $1 something. So it's a pretty easy project. And now we just get this white. So I felt like the spray paint wasn't doing a clean enough job to what I wanted, because like I said, with the spray paint it was still just leaving too many, you could still see too much of the unfinished wood. So I actually got some flat white paint that I got from Home Depot with this paintbrush. So I'm just going to paint it in myself. So I'm just painting this through. More solid. I'm not really worried about the sides. The sides can maintain that rustic look, especially since nobody would really see the sides like that. Some of the pieces of the wood have little holes in it, so I'm using the paint to fill that in. So just like has a clear finish. Need that to be showing. To fill everything in. I think it's actually better to do it with the paint instead of the spray paint, because the actual paint can fill all this in. I mean, the spray paint could do it as well, but that would have been like rounds and rounds and rounds of doing that. This is just way more effective. I'm making sure that I'm stroking it all the same direction. Nice. Now onto the M. it for step 1. We have the HME, all freshly painted. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are on day 2 of my little home decor quick project. So the letters are all dry now, as you can see, all dry. So now this has more of like a cleaner finish to me. It's still rustic, but not as rustic as they were looking before, because it's more white paint filling in, you know, the wood. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna actually put mine, like how you've seen on the picture I referred to, I'm gonna put mine right here. It's by my front door. That's another reason why I haven't done my full home decor video yet, because I still feel like there's some crucial pieces that still need to be added to my home just for that extra zazz that I'm looking for. This being one of them. I just feel like this makes it a little bit more homey. And it's just different from what you see in other people's houses, I think. So I'm gonna put mine right here. What I used was double-sided tape. We got these from Walmart, and it's by Scotch. So we just used the indoor double-sided tape. I put it 2 right here, 1 in the middle for support, 2 big ones on the side, and 2 at the bottom. Just because they're kind of heavy, like I said, they're pretty thick. So I just wanted to make sure there was enough double-sided tape on the back to properly support it once I hang it up. So I want to kind of, you know, center it in the middle. Have it, you know, close to the top of the door frame. So when you're using double-sided tape, you have to like press it and hold it for at least 20 seconds. So that way it's giving the adhesive enough time to stick. Let me step back. Yeah, that's like perfectly centered. What do you think, babe?
I think it's good.
Perfect. Perfect. So there that is. That's up. The second piece, like I said, the O is going to be a wreath. So this is the wreath I found. I just wanted something cute and simple. I'm thinking like as the seasons change, I can probably get like different mini wreaths and change it up just to match like the home decor of the home for whatever holiday or whatever is going on. So that's just another idea I'm also thinking about with the wreath. But this is also from Hobby Lobby. So this entire letter set, the wreath, is all from Hobby Lobby, and the paint and the tape is from Walmart. So with the wreath, I'm gonna try to use the double-sided tape with this as well. It's pretty light. For the wreath, we're actually gonna use a nail to hang the wreath because that's just smarter and easier to me. I think that should be good. Let's see, because I don't want the nail to protrude too much out. I just want, that's perfect. And now we're gonna do the M. Added the double-sided tape on the M in a bunch of places. Something happened to my M in the course of this video, so I'm going to touch it up with some white paint once I'm done placing all the letters, because I can do that while it's on the wall. Just trying to make sure everything is centered and looking good. I really like how this is coming out. Now it's time for the E. This gives such the perfect little touch to me. I love it. also love, another reason why I picked this wreath is because it's kind of frosted, if you can tell. There's a bit of like a white frost. A lot of long parts, so I'm using long pieces of right, one long one here, one long going down, and then one at the bottom. So I want you guys to know, most people would probably like measure, you know, where they're gonna put their letters, the distance between each letter. I'm not really that kind of person. I kind of feel like I know enough to just kind of eyeball it, but it's really up to you. How does that E look? I feel like it's a little crooked. Good. Now I'm gonna touch up that M. I'll show you guys the finished product. Ta-da! This is the final product. I even touched up the M like while it was on the wall. So like I said, guys, this is a very quick and easy DIY project that you guys can do to like enhance your home, make it a little homey. Pinterest has tons of ideas. It's just up to you to kind of make it your own and figure out how. So my way of doing that was Hobby Lobby and a few stops at Walmart, and boom, here we are. This entire project probably cost me like 60 bucks. I'll drop the links of what I found down below. But like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and also comment down below of future things that you guys would love to see on Binks TV. Love you guys. Good night.